In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a project on GitHub in just 5 minutes. Whether you are an individual developer looking to organize your tasks or working with a team in an organization, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can leverage GitHub's project management tools effectively. To start, open up your web browser. Type GitHub into your search bar and hit Enter. This will take you to GitHub's main page. Once there, depending on your situation, you'll either need to sign up for a new account or log into your existing account. If you haven't already created an account, don't worry. It's as simple as filling out a few basic details like your email and password. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your GitHub dashboard. Next, locate your profile by clicking on your avatar or on your organization's page if you are working within a team setting. Once you're on your profile or organization page, look for the Projects tab. This tab is your gateway to GitHub's project management features. Click on it, and you will be guided to a page where you can manage existing projects or create new ones. Now let's create a new project. On the Projects page, you'll notice a New Project button. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a few options. You can choose from various project types, such as table, board, or even a roadmap. Additionally, there may be templates available that suit your specific needs. Choose the format that best aligns with your project goals or team workflow. Once you've decided on a project type, it's time to provide some identity and background for your project. Give your project a meaningful name and a brief description that captures its purpose or main objectives. Once done, simply click Create Project. You now have a canvas ready to be populated with tasks and objectives. To start populating your project, you can add different elements like issues, pull requests, or even simple notes as items in your project. These items are what you will organize to track and manage your work. Depending on the layout you've chosen, such as table or board, you can organize these items into columns or rows, setting up a visual structure that makes sense for your workflow. A great feature of GitHub projects is automation through workflows. You can set these up to automate certain actions based on item status changes, such as moving a task to another column when its state changes. This helps streamline your project management and allows your team to focus more on the work and less on managing the workflow. Following these steps, your GitHub project should be set up and ready to use. This powerful tool will not only keep you organized, but also make collaboration within teams much more manageable. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.